we honor the strength of our people, the wisdom of our ancestors, and the traditions that connect generations. Our opening performance brings together 3 generations of one family. Queen Jaeanaca Villagomez, her mother, Geraldine Cap, and her grandmother, Patricia Andrews, accompanied by their drummer, Enzo Naputi. She's gonna come on and present to you Hamiiman Magahaga.
Queen, Miss Jaeanaca.